Hello, everybody. This is registered dietitian Sakina here, your health and lifestyle mentor and the founder of Zeal Wellness. So, today we are talking specifically to all the employers of big organizations or medium scale organizations or even small scale organizations. So, yes, ये मेरा वीडियो खास उनके लिए है because they are managing a very big staff of a lot of employees with them and they have to take care of a lot of other factors. Okay, बट उसके पहले हमें सोचने की बात ये है कि एट द एज ऑफ 23 years 24 years people have started working. Okay, they have started working, hectic lifestyle है, work pressure है, stress है, हमें सारे limits दिए जाते हैं and there are certain sales targets that are given to you, so a lot of things that go, and in this race of coming first and working and earning money, where is our health? Are the employers taking care of their employees? मतलब उनको ध्यान है कि इनकी हेल्थ कितनी अफेक्ट हो रही है कि नहीं हो रही है? डू वी इवन टेक केयर कि हमें ध्यान देना है कि उनकी एब्सेंटिज्म कितनी है बिकॉज ऑफ their हेल्थ इश्यूज? आर दे कमिंग रेगुलरली टू वर्क और नो? Is their health getting affected in terms of giving them the sales target and work pressure? क्या वो अपना सेल्स टारगेट अचीव कर पा रहे हैं कि नहीं? So, yes, this is a very big question that we need to ask our own selves, and we have to see our employers, and the employers in turn have to see their employees that what are they doing for their benefit. Okay, so here are some pointers that I want to share which would help you to create a healthy environment in your office, which would help to generate that health awareness amongst your employees. और ये करने से क्या होगा, आपके एम्प्लॉयज की एब्सेंटिज्म घट जाएगी, वो ज्यादा आने ऑफिस आने का शौक रखेंगे, देयर इम्यूनिटी विल इम्प्रूव, देयर एनर्जी लेवल्स विल इम्प्रूव. तो अगर आप कुछ काम दे रहे हैं, दे विल इंश्योर कि वो अच्छे से आपको करके दिखाए. अगर उनके लॉन्ग वर्किंग आवर्स है, सो दे विल एंश्योर कि मैं ये काम कर भी रहा हूँ तो इट शुड नॉट अफेक्ट माय हेल्थ. दे विल बी एबल टू मैनेज एंड बैलेंस देयर हेल्थ विद देयर वर्क इन अ बेटर वे. Okay, so what are the things that you can do as an employer? What you could do is, if there are gym facilities that you're going to provide in the office, make sure कि वो gym दिख रहा है आंखों के सामने. कई बार ऐसा क्या होता है कि the gym is on the 8th floor or the 10th floor and the office is on the first floor or the ground floor. So it becomes very difficult. Employees को पता ही नहीं होता है कि भाई हमें gym ऊपर है और वो facilities available है और हम जा सकते हैं और gym use कर सकते हैं. और कई बार ऐसा होता है that laziness comes into picture कि कौन जाएगा 8 वाला और वर्कआउट करने के लिए, and they don't get the time to do that. But अगर वो जिम ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे है तो एवरी डे व्हेन द एम्प्लॉई इज गेटिंग इनटू द ऑफिस और कमिंग आउट ऑफ द ऑफिस, भले वो ऑफिस में थर्ड फ्लोर पे हो या फोर्थ फ्लोर पे हो, उनको वो जिम जरूर दिखेगा जो ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे है. सो इट इज इजिली एक्सेसिबल, वो आंखों के सामने आएगा तो उनको जाने का एंड जिम फैसिलिटी यूज करने का एक अलग एटलीस्ट वो चाह आएगी उनमें. ठीक है. सेकेंड थिंग व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इज, व्हेन आर वी अलॉटिंग द आवर्स टू वर्क आउट इन द जिम? हैव यू एवर रियलाइज दैट? अगर आप कहते हो कि आप आपके जो 6 या 8 घंटे जो वर्क आवर्स है उसके पहले या उसके बाद में जा सकते हो जिम, सो हाउ मेनी एम्प्लॉइज विल गो टू द जिम? यू टेल मी. इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. अर्ली मॉर्निंग वो सुबह सुबह उठना और सिर्फ वो ऑफिस आके आके जिम में वर्कआउट करके पसीना बहा के फिर वापस यू हैव टू कैरी योर क्लोथ्स, हैव अ बाथ हियर, वेयर योर ऑफिस क्लोथ्स एंड देन सिट एट योर डेस्क. और इवन वाइस वर्सा कि थके हारे पूरे दिन काम करके एंड देन यू टेल द एम्प्लॉय दैट अच्छा अभी आप जा सकते हो आपका वर्कआउट करने के लिए. इट्स वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट. नॉट ऑल द पीपल विल लाइक टू डू दिस. Okay, it's too much out of the way. So my suggestion would be that allot them comfortable and flexible hours to do that workout during their work hours. If you can manage to give them some time, allot some time during that work hours कि भाई आप जाओ और आपका वर्कआउट करो, इतने में आपका कुछ नहीं कुछ बिगड़ने वाला नहीं है. द एम्प्लॉयर will be happy to see that people are getting more fitter and more active, and in turn the employee will feel so light and so energetic. जो थोड़ा समय होता है वर्कआउट करने के लिए, वो समय he will feel so distressed. I mean, he will de-stress himself during the workout and his energy levels will improve, his metabolism will improve. सो उनकी क्षमता काम करने की और ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएगी. Okay, so we can do that as well. Third thing what you could do is आपके जो कैंटीन फैसिलिटीज अवेलेबल है, what are we serving in the canteens? That is a big question mark. So during the lunch hours और जो इवनिंग का समय होता है 4 से 6 के बीच में, वो सबसे ज्यादा भूख लगती है वहाँ पे. So what are we offering them from the canteen? What are the options easily available? Are they healthy or no? We need to check on that. सो ऑप्शंस लाइक दाल राइस है, खिचड़ी है, या फिर इडली सांभर है, या डोसा सांभर है, और नॉर्मल सैंडविच है विथ a glass of milk or chas or curd, which these are options which are more healthier, more filling, more good in protein as well as fiber. So try and make such options available for them. अगर रोटी के रोल्स है, you can keep that as another option. राजमा चावल है, which is again very good for the employees to have during lunchtime. So make sure that ऐसी सारी चीजें available है as compared to putting vada pav or putting some fried items like cutlets and all of that. So उससे better तो यही है. Okay. Next, what you should do is, in terms of during the board meetings that you have, so what do we keep is, we usually keep biscuits or pastries or cakes with plastic bottles of water bottles and all of that. So why don't we replace that with items like, you can put fresh fruits, you can put cartoned milk for everybody, or fresh fruit juices for everyone. So these are some healthier options. अगर हम अभी से वो चेंज करना शुरू करेंगे, people will start getting educated by themselves that, oh wow, and they will also like the environment that our office is serving us some healthy stuff which is good for us. And यही असर होगा उनके टिफिन बॉक्सेस पे जो वो घर से ला रहे हैं. So you will start seeing the change that that healthy environment is created in the office. They will start getting more healthier lunch options. जो डब्बे में पहले फ्राइड चीजें आती थी, या ज्यादातर राइस आइटम्स आते थे, which just plain rice and nothing else, you will start seeing options like roti sabzi, or you will start seeing options like dal chawal, or you will start seeing options like people are carrying khichdi, people have started carrying chas or salad with them. So some kind of educative awareness is very very important in these offices. Okay. And now, lastly, what my other thing would be, that start, arranging workshops or health mentoring sessions for your employees regularly, where they are getting educated about these things related to health and nutrition. Could be any topic. Could be topic of certain, health diseases that we see very often. हमारे फ्रेंड्स रिलेटिव्स में हम काफ़ी सारे फैमिली में देखते हैं कि काफ़ी सारे जिनको डायबिटीज़ की शिकायत काफ़ी हो रही है आजकल. पीपल आर गेटिंग लॉट ऑफ एसिडिटी इश्यूज. So why don't we arrange mentoring sessions on such topics? Then certain sessions could be कि अगर आप lunch बाहर से order कर रहे हो, so what are the lunch options that you can carry? What are the lunch options that you can order? So on these certain topics, you can arrange these sessions, and it will be very engaging for the employees as well. Okay. And you could also arrange some kind of competition, like obviously very popular always has been a weight loss challenge, that who's the biggest loser and who loses the maximum number of weight. But even with a tweaky thing, what you could do is, you can have an inch loss competition, where you can take the measurements before a certain program, and then after enrolling them on a weight loss program or an inch loss program, and then take the inch measurements again after the program and see the difference for yourself. So all of these little things will actually motivate your employees, keep them on the right path towards health, and in turn, these employees will improve their productivity in the office. In turn, the office as a whole, the organization as a whole, is going to definitely benefit from this. So till then, you take care, keep watching our videos. We are just a call away for any other requirements, for any health mentoring sessions for your organization as well. Take care. Bye bye.